our previous video, we have already did the very first second generation Toyota GR Yaris in Malaysia with an Akrapovic exhaust upgrade and also the Eventuri intake upgrade. So that was the 8-speed auto transmission, and today in the shop we have another second generation GR Yaris is in for upgrade. So this is a 6-speed manual transmission Gen2 GR Yaris. The car also getting the same combo as the first one. So what we have is the Akrapovic titanium exhaust, the Eventuri carbon air intake. So this definitely, as we always say, is the best combination of exhaust and intake upgrade that you can get for your GR Yaris. Doesn't matter that you're driving the Gen 1 or the Gen2 GR Yaris, this is the only exhaust and intake that you will need for your car. Right over here, we have removed the factory exhaust system out from the GR Yaris. So what we have is the catback section, everything behind the downpipes, the catalytic converter. So here on the factory exhaust system, on the mid pipe, what we have is this secondary cats, which is quite restrictive. Then to the middle, we have this massive center resonator, which furthers to kill off the sound and the performance on the GR Yaris. And finally to the rear section, this massively huge and also quite heavy factory rear muffler box, which is also serve a purpose to filter out the sound on the car. Then for the tailpipes, these are the standard GR Yaris tailpipes, which looks very simple, finish off in chrome silver color. On the other hand, this is our Akrapovic exhaust system for the second gen GR Yaris. So first of all, if you notice on the front pipe area, Akrapovic, they actually deleted the secondary cats, but they replace it with this more free-flowing resonator. Then to the mid pipe, they remain the center resonator, same design as the factory center resonator, but definitely this Akrapovic resonator, they are a lot more less restrictive compared to the factory ones. And to the rear section, so this is where all the magic happens, which the team, the engineers at Akrapovic, they completely redesigned the entire exhaust system, the muffler. So as you can see, it is quite some difference in terms of the design compared to the factory rear muffler. So on the Akrapovic exhaust, you do have the muffler box on both sides, left and right, but this muffler box, definitely they are a lot less restrictive. So with the Akrapovic exhaust installed on the GR Yaris, it gives the car a very sporty and aggressive tone once you have this installed. And finally, the highlight of this Akrapovic system is definitely this beautiful titanium tailpipes that they are specially designed for the GR Yaris with a very beautiful finishing, the Akrapovic logo crafted on it, and also the inner layer. This is specifically designed by the engineers over at Akrapovic for the GR Yaris and also the GR Supra. Also, the owner said that since I've already have the Akrapovic exhaust, might as well I go with the intake upgrade as well. So for the intake, he chose to get one of the best carbon fiber co-air intake in the market currently for the GR Yaris, which is also our best selling intake system, the Eventuri carbon co-air intake. So the owner, he actually chose to go with the matte finishing instead of the gloss finishing for his Eventuri intake. With this beautiful Eventuri intake installed on the GR Yaris, definitely it will improve the performance of the car, and also it will give the GR Yaris a very aggressive intake suction sound. This Eventuri intake, definitely it will sound a lot louder compared to the factory airbox whenever you floor the throttle. Both the Akrapovic exhaust and the Eventuri intake, they are fully plug and play. There's no modifications needed. So basically, we just need to remove the factory parts out from the car and directly bolt on this beautiful system onto the car. Then we are good to go. And that's all for the product explanation part. Now we'll get back to work to install the Akrapovic exhaust and the Eventuri intake onto the GR Yaris. And later, once we have done everything, of course, as usual, we'll start up the car, do a sound check, bring the car out for a test drive on the road to listen how does it sounds like driving on the road after we upgraded with the Eventuri intake and the Akrapovic exhaust system. And here we have completed another second generation Toyota GR Yaris with Akrapovic exhaust upgrade and also the Eventuri carbon air intake upgrade in our shop. So this is the second unit. The first one we did was a 8-speed automatic transmission, while this one is the 6-speed manual transmission version. So for the second generation GR Yaris, as you may know, there's a little bit of facelifted parts on the car, which includes the front bumper, also with a brand new design, tail lights, as well as the rear diffuser on the bumper. These are all redesigned for the facelifted GR Yaris. While for the interior wise, also the facelifted GR Yaris, it has a brand new design interior which comes with this dashboard that Toyota claimed that is more driver focused. As you can see, everything is actually pointing towards the driver himself. While for the power and the transmission, the same 1.6 litre turbocharged engine paired with the same 6-speed manual transmission on the facelifted GR Yaris. The facelifted GR Yaris has the same amount of fun compared to the first generation, and it is even better with some better cooling system. So this is definitely one of the best cars that Toyota has ever created for the driving enthusiasts. Our client's GR Yaris is basically a bone stock car. It has just clocked about 840 kilometers and the car is being sent in for some upgrades. Here we have the Eventuri carbon air intake, and also besides that, our client has already upgraded to the HKS blow-off valve for better performance. And that's all for today's video. So let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the Akrapovic titanium exhaust and also the Eventuri carbon air intake on the 2025 second generation facelifted Toyota GR Yaris. If you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you in our next video.